Hi guys, in today's episode of Taste of the Town, I'm in St. Petersburg, Florida. I'm at Pam's Roti Shop and Caribbean Market. Pam has been selling roti for over 5 years. Opened in 2013, this Guyanese establishment is run by Pam and her two sons. The atmosphere in the roti shop is very cozy, very warm and welcoming customer service. Once you visit Pam's, you'll see the love and feel the love. They treat you like family and you feel like family. Pam's has one of the best Dhalpuris that I've ever tasted. So soft, so silky, that it was even featured on the Tampa Bay Times. I will leave the link for the article down in the description box. Pam also has delicious doubles, currants roll, beef patties, pudding, jerk chicken, so much. She has a wide selection of everything. And if you can't get to Pam's, they also have the bite delivery service. So you can order online and they'll deliver it to you. Their beef patties and chicken patties are always fresh, never frozen. And Pam makes the currants roll herself, really flaky and delicious. I'm so honored that Pam also sells corn soup, and her corn soup is using my recipe. That was such an honor for her to tell me that. I was so in shock, in awe, everything. Just the fact that she's using my recipe. Their chicken roti, their jerk chicken, their sauteed cabbage, everything is on point. So make sure even when you get your meal, don't forget to pick up a few of your Caribbean items that you'll need to create your favorite dish. She has a wide selection of seasonings, sauces, condiments, curries, spices, everything you'll need to create that rich Caribbean dish. So guys, I hope you all enjoyed this episode of Taste of the Town. Make sure if you're in the area, stop by, give Pam a visit, say hello. She's very friendly, very welcoming, and so are her sons.
This is the best place in 727. If you're in this area, you gotta find yourself here now. I just had a group of people here, they take the food, they go on, they're hungry, they want to eat it. These two fellas here, they're hungry too. You better call them. Don't worry. When they come here, they'll see, man. Should I say my name?
Don't say your name.
Yeah, but
His name is Nicky Silva, and he's from Trinidad and Tobago.
his name is Jesus. You know?
Hi Jesus.
Hi.
So you guys enjoying the food here?
Yeah, man. Every time.
Lovely food, lovely food.
Okay, good.
Lovely food, man, lovely food. Lovely people too, lovely people.
Yes,
Yeah,
I
man.
can tell.
There you go.
Yeah, he's like a brother to me, honestly.